everyone, welcome back to NailNovice. Today I'm showing you a really popular technique for creating beautiful watercolour looks, and it's all using gel polish and Sharpie markers. To start, you want to apply 1 to 2 coats of gel polish, curing between each layer. I'm going to be painting one baby pink and one white swatch today. You want to go ahead and top coat your colours and cure as normal. And you're then going to wipe away the tacky layer, give the nails a light buff, and wipe away any dust. From here, you simply draw evenly spaced patches of Sharpie markers in the colours of your choice. In a small dish, you want some isopropyl alcohol, and with a small brush, you're going to dab a few times on one colour before moving on to the next patch of the same colour until the alcohol on your brush runs out, wiping your brush and repeating the same on the other colours. The trick to this art is knowing when to stop. The more alcohol you apply, the more colour you are effectively removing and diluting. Now, if you use too much alcohol, you may have trouble with the Sharpie art drying and streaking when you apply your top coat. When the nail art is dry, you can come in and apply extra patches of colour if needed until you're happy with the look. This art needs a couple of minutes to thoroughly dry before floating your top coat over and curing, and a second top coat to finish. That's it for today's quick tutorial. Be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos.